Hi, this is the Huawei Nova Y91 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first open the app gallery to get the Ampere application and in the search we'll enter the Ampere. Now we should tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download in and then installing on your device. After that, just tap to install once again. Ampere successfully installed. Tap to open. OK, yes, I agree, close and OK. And now we can see information about battery temperature, and in my case that's 28 degrees. And also we got here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.